start with a new topic, that is factorization. This subtopic factorization is very important for you. We have already learned some problems or some types how to do the factorization in 8th standard. We have learned regrouping method. We have learned taking common terms. We have also learned the splitting middle term. That was very important. That will be important for you in your future. That okay. So you have to take the use of each and everything. You have factorized some polynomials by using identities also in last year. So this year also we will be having each and everything in this 9th standard syllabus. Just some new things are introduced here that we are going to learn in this. So what is meant by first factorization? Many of the students are confused in factorization and simplification. So factors, this here, if 10 is there, if you are told to write out the factors of 10, so you used to write 2 into 5, right? So 2 into 5 are the factors of 10, means 10 के factor क्या हुए 2, 5. These are the factors of 10. Now these factors are always in the product form. इसे ध्यान में रखो, factors हर वक्त product form में होते हैं और simplification जो form होता है that is always in addition or subtraction form. ठीक है ना? जैसा अभी एक आइडेंटिटी लिया आपने और बोला a plus b whole bracket square is equals to a square plus twice ab plus b square. You know this. So this is all, every terms are in addition and subtraction here. So this one is simplified form and this one is factorized form. You can write it like this: a plus b whole bracket square means a plus b is multiplied how many times? By itself 2 times. So this is the factorized form and this is the simplified form. Don't get confused in this. If the question is simplified, you should write this in this way. If it is in factorized form, then this term you should write in this way. ठीक है? तो ये चीज आपको ध्यान में रखनी है. Now in factorization of polynomial, we are going to learn here one theorem, that is factor theorem. It is factor theorem. Now जीरो आता है तो we will say that x minus a is a factor of the given polynomial. Now vice versa, if x minus a is factor, if x minus a is factor means if it is given that x minus a is factor of the given polynomial, then p of a will always be equals to 0. p of a हर वक्त 0 ही आएगा. ये वाइस वर्सा है एक में के you should understand this. Means if p of a is equals to 0, then x minus a is always 0 of the factor of the given polynomial. And if x minus a is the factor of given polynomial, then p of a is always 0. उसको ऐसा भी लिख सकते हो आपको अगर समझ में आ रहा हो तो if p of minus 2, एक इजी ले दो पहले, p of 2 is 0 of given polynomial, then x minus 2 is factor. ठीक है, समझ में आया ये? अगर p of 2 ये 0 होता है, if p of 2 is equals to 0, then x minus 2 is factor. If p of minus 3 is equals to 0, then x plus 3 is factor. ये चीजें ध्यान में रखो, ये साइन चेंज होते ही ये here there was 2, यहाँ पे क्या होगा x minus 2 minus 3 x plus 3. I will explain these all things in the examples. ठीक है, if p of minus 3 is equals to 0, then x plus 3 is the factor of given polynomial. If x minus 1 by or x plus 1 by 2 is factor, x plus 1 by 2 is factor, then x equals to minus 1 by 2 is 0. Or we can write p of minus 1 by 2 is 0 of the given polynomial. ऐसा भी कर दो चलेगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. तो p of minus 1 by 2 is equals to 0. ठीक है, understand? So we see now again we will use this factor theorem for finding out the factors of quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial, mainly cubic. Quadratic we know how to find out the factors of quadratic polynomial. By splitting method we can find, by splitting the middle term we can find out the factors of the quadratic polynomial. Okay, so first I am going to explain that only, that how to find the factors of quadratic polynomials. Suppose a polynomial is given to us. Quadratic I am explaining. If it is x square plus 5x plus 4, this is an quadratic polynomial. We have to find out the factors of it by using splitting method. ठीक है, और फैक्टर फाइंड करने के बाद अगर आपने को जीरोस फाइंड करने बोले हैं तो भी चलेगा. तो हाउ टू फाइंड आउट हियर, द वेरी फर्स्ट स्टेप इज नंबर 1, that is I will not write it, I will just say orally, you have to note it down what are the first step. First step is multiply first term and last term. Multiply first term and last term. Take the product of first term and last term. It will be 4x square. Okay? So 4 into x square is 4x square. Now what we will do? We will split. हमने को मिडिल टर्म ऐसे स्प्लिट करने की है, जो लास्ट टर्म मतलब ये जो है इसके फैक्टर्स की एडिशन कितने होने चाहिए, मिडिल टर्म. ठीक है, now this is first term, multiply first term and last term. Now take out the factors of 4 in such 4 के ऐसे फैक्टर लिखो कि जिसकी एडिशन क्या है 5 है। अब 4 देखो कौन से टेबल में आता है, 4 कौन से टेबल ऑफ 2, 2 2 जा 4, लेकिन 2 प्लस 2 कितना होता है 4 होता है, इट इज नॉट 5, सो दिस विल नॉट बी द फैक्टर। अनदर वन क्या है 4 1 जा 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, so we got the factor 4x 1x, 4x and 1 is 5 will come because 4x plus 1x is 5x and 4x into 1x is 4x square. So write down this term now instead of middle term. So x square plus 4x plus 1x plus 4 ये मिडल टर्म जो है ना, आपने मिडल टर्म में जगह पे ये तो लिखे तो यू कैन चेंज देयर प्लेस आल्सो, नथिंग मैटर्स, ठीक है, दे आर एडिशन। अब नेक्स्ट, नाउ व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप हियर, मेक द पेयर ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल्स, टर्म्स की पेयर बनाओ दो दो की, ठीक है, फर्स्ट टू, नाउ पेयर, नाउ टेक आउट कॉमन फ्रॉम द पेयर, इन दोनों में से क्या कॉमन निकलेगा x, what remains inside the bracket x into x, मतलब एक x बचा, plus x into how much is 4x, x into 4 is 4x, plus 1x plus 4, इन दोनों में से क्या कॉमन निकलेगा, कॉमन मतलब क्या होता है, ये दोनों कौन से टेबल में आते हैं, you take the largest number in which these two number comes, so that is nothing but 1, now what remains x plus 4, ठीक है, अभी क्या आएगा, now it will be x plus 4, पूरे इसके को क्या कॉमन है x plus 4, what remains inside the bracket now, what remains, that take in another x plus 1, so these are the factors of the given polynomial। अब ये फैक्टर से तो आपको जीरो निकालते आते, how to find out the zero, if these are the factor for zeros, we equate them with zero, zero से उसको इक्वेट कर दिया तो क्या आएगा फिर, अब x plus 4 is equals to 0 and this one also x plus 1 is equals to 0, plus 4 sent to that side, x is equals to minus 1 and here sorry x is equals to minus 4 and x is equals to minus 1, we can write it by using factor theorem, if x plus 4 is a factor then x is equals to minus 4 will be an 0 of the given polynomial, if x plus 1 is factor then x equals to minus 1 is 0 of given polynomial. So in this way we used to solve the quadratic polynomial, we used to factorize the quadratic polynomial by splitting the middle term. Such many examples I will take, okay, in exercise we will see many more examples of this kind. Now one thing, one note I would like to say over in this, that I will give or I will explain it when I will explain the problems of exercise, okay. Now we will see one problem of factorization of cubic term, okay, if there is cubic polynomial then how to factorize it, that we will see. So I will take one example of your exercise only, of exercise only I am taking question number 5 में का एक एग्जांपल लेता हूँ। So first one only I will take, okay, x cube minus 2x square x cube minus 2x square minus 3x is minus x plus 2 minus x plus 2 minus x plus 2. So how we used to solve this problem? See, whatever will be the last term, उस लास्ट टर्म के आपको जितने फैक्टर्स पता है सब फैक्टर्स लिख दो. तो फैक्टर्स ऑफ 2 are +1 -1 +2 -2, बस इतने ही है. ठीक है, अब ये फैक्टर्स है. सो वी यूज टू डू ये ट्रायल एंड एरर मेथड. और ट्रायल और एरर मेथड से अपन इसमें कोई भी एक वैल्यू पुट करके देते, एक से वैल्यू पुट करके देते एंड वी सी व्हेन जीरोस कम. अगर जीरो आ गया बाय यूजिंग इंक्रीमेंटल थ्योरम इट विल बी फैक्टर. तो अपने को एक फैक्टर वहां पे मिल जाएगा. बाकी दो फैक्टर दैट वी कैन टेक आउट बाय यूजिंग अदर मेथड. तो देखो यहां पे फर्स्ट फॉर p of suppose it is p of x. P of x is equals to x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Now we take for p of 1. P of 1 is equals to 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus 1 plus 2. 1 cube is 1 minus 1 square is 1, 2 ones are 2, minus 1 plus 2, plus 1 minus 1 cancels, minus 2 plus 2 cancels, so answer is 0. Now what our factor theorem says, if p of 1 is now by factor theorem if p of 1 is equals to 0, then x minus 1 is one of the zero of given polynomial. दिए वाले एक पॉलिनोमियल का ये क्या रहेगा? फैक्टर रहेगा. सॉरी, इज factor. Okay, now we got one factor. एक फैक्टर मिल गया अभी अपने को. अब ये जो एक फैक्टर है आपको पता है कि whenever we divide any factor by that multiple we get the remainder 0. अपने को रिमाइंडर क्या मिलता है? 0 ही मिलता है. So we try to solve by that method. Now we'll have long division method here because this method will be repeated in 10th standard. X minus 1 and here x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Okay, now here I am doing the rough work. How to divide now? First term divided by first term करने का. First term is x cube divided by x. It will be equals to x square. Right? Now write here x square. Now x into x square is x cube minus 1 into x square is minus x square. Now subtract both of them, so they will get cancelled. ये दोनों कैंसिल हो गए. सबट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं, यहाँ का साइन चेंज हो जाएगा, माइनस कन्वर्ट्स इनटू प्लस. नाउ माइनस प्लस इज माइनस 2x square minus x square is x square. Sin of minus x plus 2. Again first term by first term, so here it is x square by x minus x इसको छोड़ना नहीं, माइनस साइन को minus x square by x, that will be equals to minus बट इट इज नॉट इन सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म। इसके भी दो फैक्टर निकलेंगे। अपन ने स्टार्टिंग में देखा था क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल होगा तो उसको एट मैक्स कितने जीरो होते हैं? 3। एट मैक्स कितने जीरोस होते हैं? 3। तो वी हैव 1, एक है अपने पास में, तो और अभी 2 निकालना बाकी है। तो 2 विल गेट फ्रॉम दिस क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल। नाउ x square minus x plus x square minus x minus 2. What is our first step? Multiply first term and last term. X square into minus 2, that will be equals to minus 2x square. Now make a factor of minus 2x square is such that their subtraction should come. Here nothing is there means 1 is there. Subtraction should come 1. अब देखो 2 कौन से टेबल में आता है? 2 is fine number, कम से only 2 टेबल, तो 2 अंदर 2 में आना ही चाहिए। फैक्टर नहीं आ रहे होंगे तो somewhere we have made wrong. Now multiplication should be minus sign, negative, तो दोनों में से एक नंबर नेगेटिव चाहिए। कौन सा नेगेटिव चाहिए? एडिशन क्या चाहिए? देखो माइनस चाहिए, मतलब ग्रेटर नंबर क्या चाहिए? माइनस। इसको प्लस दिया तो चलेगा। सॉल्व दिस। x square, what is the next step? Write this factor instead of middle term, so it will be minus 2x plus 1x minus 2, right? Now take out common, make the pairs first. These are the pairs. Take out common from them. What is common? X. What remains? X minus 2 plus what is common here? 1. What remains? X minus 2. Now what is common in all? X minus 2. What remains? What is left? X plus 1. X plus 1. So these are now the remaining two factors of the given polynomial. Therefore all the factors of given polynomial p of x are कौन से है? पहला फैक्टर क्या मिला अपने को? x minus 1. x minus 1. What is the second factor? x minus 2. And last one is x plus 1. So these are the three factors